Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the recommendation icon on Google Chrome. If you're tired of unnecessary icons cluttering your toolbar and want a cleaner, more personalized browsing experience, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Chrome browser. First, launch your Chrome browser. Simply click on the Chrome icon on your desktop, taskbar, or Applications folder. Once it's open, you're ready to begin. Step 2. Access the menu. Now, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll notice 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is your menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu filled with customization options. Step 3. Go to Settings. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can adjust a variety of features to suit your browsing preferences. Step 4. Find Toolbar Shortcut Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Toolbar Shortcut option. If you can't spot it right away, use the search bar at the top of the page and type Toolbar Shortcut to find it quickly. Step 5. Customize your toolbar. Here's the fun part. In the Toolbar Shortcut section, you'll see options to manage what appears in your toolbar. To disable the recommendation icon, select a different option that better suits your browsing needs. Step 6. Save your changes. After making your selection, Chrome will automatically update your toolbar. If prompted, be sure to save any changes to finalize your adjustments. And just like that, the recommendation icon will be gone. Enjoy a cleaner browsing experience. Congratulations! You've successfully disabled the recommendation icon on Google Chrome. By removing unnecessary clutter, you can now enjoy a more streamlined and focused browsing experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials to optimize your online activities. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy browsing!